Here we have a 22 plate BMW 420i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M Sport Pro package. Now we also have the gloss black 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, the red brake calipers behind. We have the white exterior paintwork. We do also have the LED headlights with the gloss black front splitter. Let's look at that front end. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition, just down here. Taking a step back, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top, you'll find the colour-coded shark fin antennae. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. Now we do also have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera and of course a visual display inside. Round to the rear you find the rear diffuser looking nice and aggressive, the dual exit exhaust. Back round to the driver's side you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if you take a look at the interior now, so inside of here, just fold the front seat forward, you'll find we have the full leather seats. Refundable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Just forward that one forward. You can also see we have the M Sport style seat belts. Let's look at both the front seats. Both front seats are heated. Let's a quick look at them. We do have the electric mirrors and electric windows. We also have the automatic lights. You may have noticed as well the ambient lighting running throughout the vehicle. Automatic wipers. Take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. We do also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side, along with the paddle shifters as well either side. High beam assist on that stalk just there. We do also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. If this screen or any other screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Now we do have plenty more features. We have the buttons down here. Click onto media, you'll find the radio stations. We also have the other options here on the left. We do have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. Then if we go to the apps, you can see we have plenty of apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the main menu, if we go up to car, then you'll find we have even further features, so you can see go into settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here, plenty of colours to go through. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down we've got the dual zone climate control, heated seat buttons either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. Press these buttons and you can quickly switch through the different drive modes just like so. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, armrest as well in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT and through nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.